What if you could transform yourself into any movie character or create cinematic AI videos using nothing but text? With Magic Hour AI, you can start experimenting immediately thanks to free credits for new users. In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 powerful AI features that can completely change the way you create videos. I'm Jax, let's get into it. I've put the Magic Hour AI link in the description below, so go ahead and click it and create your account. Once you sign up, you'll see a batch of free credits sitting right there in your dashboard, ready to use. And even after those run out, you'll keep getting a smaller batch of free credits every single day, which means you can keep coming back and experimenting without spending anything at all, at least while you're still learning the platform. Now let's talk about what makes Magic Hour different from most AI tools out there. Normally, if you wanted to swap a character into a video and then also edit that same video further, you'd need 2, maybe even 3, separate apps to pull it off. One tool for the character work, another one entirely for editing, and then probably a third app just to combine everything back together. Magic Hour gets rid of that headache completely. It's what's called an all-in-one AI platform, which just means every tool you need lives inside this one dashboard. You never have to export your video, upload it somewhere else, and hope the quality doesn't drop along the way. Everything happens right here in one place. Today, I'm going to walk you through 2 of its best features. First, we're going to use a newer tool called Character Replace, and I'll show you exactly how I created the video you're about to watch. Then, a little later, I'll show you how to edit any video using nothing but simple text prompts. No timelines, no dragging clips around, just typing out what you want and letting the AI do the heavy lifting. Let's start with Character Replace, because honestly, this is the feature that's going to blow your mind the most. Click on Character Replace from the dashboard, and you'll land on a page like this one. This is your entire workspace for the feature, so everything you need to swap a character into your footage is going to happen right here on this single screen. The first thing you'll do is click Upload Video. This is where you bring in whatever clip you want to work with. It could be something you filmed on your phone, some stock footage you already have, or any other video saved on your device. Magic Hour doesn't care where the footage came from, it just needs a video to use as your starting point. I'm going to upload one of my own clips so you can see exactly how this works from start to finish. Once your video is uploaded, you'll notice you have the option to trim it. This matters for 2 reasons. First, trimming your clip down to only the part you actually need keeps the generation fast and clean. Second, and just as important, trimming saves you credits, because shorter clips cost less to process. So get into the habit of trimming down to just what you need before you generate anything. Now for the fun part. Scroll down and you'll see the option to upload the image you want to use as your replacement character. This is the face and design that's going to take over the person in your video. For this example, I'm going to use Black Panther, but here's the thing, you're not limited to superheroes or movie characters at all. You can upload literally any image you want, a photo of yourself, a friend, an original character design, anything you have. And if you don't have an image ready to go, don't worry. Magic Hour also gives you a huge library of built-in characters you can pick from directly inside the platform, so you don't have to go hunting around the internet for a reference photo. Once your video is trimmed and your replacement character is selected, click Generate and let Magic Hour handle the rest. And there it is, done. Let's watch the result together. Look closely at what actually happened here. Magic Hour didn't just slap a mask over the person's face, it fully replaced the character in the scene while keeping everything else exactly the same. The movement, the background, the lighting, all of it stayed untouched. Only the character itself changed. And here's what makes this feature so different from a lot of other AI tools you might have tried before. You didn't have to write a single prompt for this. There was no text box to fill out, no describing camera angles or lighting conditions. Let me show you this one more time with a completely different example so you can really see how consistent this feature is. I'll click on the video, select Change, then choose Upload from Device, and this time I'll bring in a totally different clip. For the replacement character this round, I'm going to use Spider-Man instead. Same process as before, upload the character image and click Generate. And the second video is ready, let's take a look. Just like before, notice that nothing else in the scene changed. The background stayed the same, the movement stayed the same, the lighting stayed the same. The only thing that changed was the character itself. now fully transformed into Spider-Man. This consistency is exactly why Character Replace feels so professional. It's not just randomly generating a brand new video from scratch every time. It's intelligently identifying the character and swapping just that part while protecting everything else in the shot. Here's something else worth knowing before we move on. You're not limited to tiny clips. You can use videos up to 15 seconds long, upload just a single image as your reference, and choose from Magic Hour's large collection of built-in character presets. This library is honestly huge. There are all kinds of styles and character types already sitting inside the platform, which means you don't have to spend time searching for the perfect reference image online. If you just want to experiment quickly, jumping into the presets is the fastest way to get started. Now here's something even more impressive, and this is a question a lot of people ask right away. What if your video has more than one person in it? Magic Hour has you covered here too. If your clip contains multiple characters, simply click Select Person and choose exactly which one you want to replace. Magic Hour will change only that specific individual, leaving everyone else in the scene exactly as they were. And it goes even further than that. You can use this same feature to replace yourself specifically, swap out just a face while keeping the body and clothing untouched, or pick from the available presets, which even include celebrity-style characters along with plenty of other creative options. Now that you've seen how Character Replace works from start to finish, let's move on to the second half of this tutorial, and honestly, this part is just as powerful, maybe even more. To get started, switch over to Create, scroll down, and open AI Video Editor. This is a separate tool from Character Replace, and it's built specifically for making bigger changes to your video, things like changing outfits, altering the environment, adding or removing objects, and a lot more. Click Add Video and upload the clip you want to work on. Just like before, if your video is longer than you actually need, trim it down. In this case, I'll bring mine down to 10 seconds, which keeps the generation quick and keeps our credits being used efficiently. Now here's where the real magic happens. Instead of clicking through a bunch of menus, you're going to type out exactly what you want changed in the video. For my first example, I'll paste in this prompt, transform the person's outfit into a sleek black superhero suit with a matching black mask covering the upper face. Preserve the exact face, body, hairstyle, pose, camera angle, lighting, background, and all movements. Only change the clothing and add the mask. Ultra-realistic, cinematic, high quality. Notice how specific this prompt actually is. It doesn't just say, change the outfit. It clearly tells the AI what to preserve, things like the face, the pose, and the lighting, so that only the outfit changes and nothing else in the video shifts unexpectedly. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. And it's done. Let's watch the result. Look at that. The entire transformation, the superhero suit, the mask, all of it, was created using nothing but that one written prompt. No manual editing, no green screen, no VFX software involved at all, just words turned into a finished video. Let's try something completely different, just to show you the range of what this tool can actually do. This time, I'll paste in a new prompt, one that removes all the airplanes from this particular scene. Then, just like before, I'll click Generate. And there it is, done. Let's take a look. As you can see, the airplanes are completely gone from the scene, and I never had to open a single piece of traditional editing software to make that happen. This is really the core idea behind Magic Hour's AI video editor. You can keep editing your videos this way, purely through prompts. Change the environment, replace objects, add new people into a scene, remove distractions you don't want, or completely transform the mood and look of a shot, all just by describing what you want in plain language. It's an incredibly powerful workflow, and what I love most about it is that it removes basically every traditional barrier to video editing. You don't need VFX skills, you don't need years of editing experience, and you don't need expensive software sitting on your computer. You just need an idea and the right words to describe it. If this tutorial helped you understand Magic Hour AI a little better, go ahead and give it a try yourself. New users receive free credits, which are enough to test out the Character Replace feature and see the results for yourself. It's a great way to experience how the tool works before exploring even more of what Magic Hour has to offer. And if you want more tutorials just like this one, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.